How to add Instagram to TikTok bio. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can view your profile information. Now tap on Edit Profile as shown. Here, you can edit your information such as your name, photo, username, bio, etc. Go over to Links. Select the account you want to link to TikTok, for example, Instagram. Here, log in with your Instagram account first. Fill in the details and tap on Login. You have now successfully linked your Instagram account to TikTok. You can find the Instagram link in the bio section on your profile. Following these steps, you can easily add Instagram to TikTok bio.